Believe it or not, this was created by an AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mel, Myself, and AI. Today, we're diving into the world of AI art, and trust me, you'll want to stick around. Even if you've got the basics down, mastering the art of, well, art, from shading to proportion, there's just so much to grasp. And don't even get me started on the software. Between Photoshop, Illustrator, and a gazillion others, deciding which one to use can be overwhelming. But don't click away just yet, because Midjourney is about to swoop in like your artsy fairy godmother. Okay fam, here's the 411 on Midjourney. Picture this, a magical land where technology meets creativity. That's Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered platform that brings your wildest artistic fantasies to life. Imagine typing sunset over the mountains and boom, a masterpiece appears, like fresh out of an art gallery. So who's the genius sprinkling this creative pixie dust? Midjourney was founded by this incredible team of AI enthusiasts, and let me tell you, they're the real deal. What sets Midjourney apart is its dope AI algorithm. This isn't your run-of-the-mill AI, folks. We're talking advanced neural networks that analyze millions of artwork to generate something unique just for you. So you get to be the director of your own art movie, calling all of the shots. You might think Midjourney is just another software. Nope. It's more like a community where people come together to create and share. Think of it as the Facebook of digital art, but without the drama. The best part? Midjourney is on a mission to democratize art. That means even if you can only draw stick figures, you still get a seat at the table. It's all about making art accessible and fun for everyone, whether you're an art school grad or someone who thinks Picasso is a type of pizza. So let's give a big ol' high five to Midjourney for making our artistic dreams a reality. And stick around, because we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so now that I've told you the background of how to do this, let's do it together. You're going to open up discord.com. Once you create a login, you're going to go into Midjourney. When you're in Midjourney, on the upper left corner, it allows you to create a text channel. So I'm going to create one, and I'm going to name it Mel, Myself, and AI. Create channel. Now at the bottom, it's going to have you do a prompt there, and I'm going to do /IM, which stands for imagine. So now that I've put that in, I'm going to put in sunset over the mountains. And bam, like I said, sunset over the mountains. Incredible pictures. But let's say I want to tweak it or make it bigger. Now that the images are up, you can click U1, 2, 3, or 4. And what that is it correlates with the image that's on there. I'm going to click the bottom right one, which is U4. It makes the picture bigger. And then what I want to do is I want to create a different version of that. So I'm going to click V4, and it should bring up 4 different options of that picture that I've already selected. Guys, look at this. It's amazing. I can't imagine doing this on my own. And it took us, what, a minute or two? Let's see what we can come up with. So let's do this. A blonde woman with 5 children on the beach during sunset. Okay, so we got some pretty incredible images, but let's just tweak it a little bit and see if we can level up. I'm going to do imagine and then put professional photos. So we'll just put women and children on the beach during golden hour. Sounds even fancier than sunset. Okay, so I actually like the version before where it had a woman with a couple of kids in the background. So I'm gonna tweak that one. I'm gonna select that one, which once again is the bottom right one, so it's U4. Okay, so here's my favorite one so far. When I click on custom zoom, it has the initial prompt that's in there. But what I'm going to do is add, after what I initially said, a blonde woman with 5 children on the beach during sunset. I'm going to put with the Milky Way in the background. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I zoomed out again because I'm just having fun with this zoom button. And can we just take a look at this for a second? Look how incredible this is. It's insane what you can do. What's awesome is if you don't want to sign up for their advanced features, you can do the freebie mode. Okay, so look at this. I zoomed out twice and have the galaxy in the background. It just keeps going. Guys, this is amazing. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. I'm gonna take some time and just fiddle around with some more pictures. If you have even an ounce of curiosity, I challenge you to give Midjourney a go. And if you do, tag us on social media. We'd love to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting AI explorations. That's all for today's adventure in the world of AI. Remember, the journey to abundance might just start with the next Imagine command you type. See you next time.